In part B, we'll be looking at vertical stretching and shrinking. When we want to vertically stretch or shrink a graph of a function, what we want to do is we want to change the scale of the graph. So let's go ahead and just draw a picture. Again, we're going to have two different functions. So we'll call this green function f of x here. And let's go ahead and make another function. We'll call this function g of x, and g of x is a vertical stretch of f of x. To translate this picture graphically, or to stretch our function f of x into our function g of x, what we need to do is we need to multiply our function f of x by some constant c. And this means that our function g of x in this picture is going to be equal to f of x times our constant c here, whatever constant c that is. Now let's go ahead and record this down in a theorem-type statement. So to graph our function, y is equal to c times f of x, this really, again, is going to depend on our c here. So number one, if we're given that c is greater than 1, then the graph of the function c of f of x is obtained by stretching f of x by a factor of c. And if we're given that c is less than 1 but also bigger than 0, then our function c of f of x is going to be obtained by shrinking the function f of x by a factor of c.